This week on Entertainment Recap, Tommy Lee Sparta sentenced to 3 years in prison. Dancehall artist Rytikal granted $1 million bail on gun charges. A royal wedding took place locally. These and lots more. I'm your girl, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee has been sentenced to 3 years in prison.
One bag of thing them a say about me. One bag of thing them a chat lately, but I'm holding on. I'm holding on. Trying to make it through this time. I'm holding on.
He has pled guilty to illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition and was sentenced to 3 years in jail. The artist, whose given name is Leroy Russell, appeared before the High Court Division of the Gun Court and was represented by Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson and Donahue Martin. Police reports are that the entertainer was arrested on December 14, 2020, after a vehicle in which he was traveling was intercepted by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Specialized Operations. The men in the vehicle was searched and a 9mm Glock pistol with an extended magazine containing 18 rounds of ammunition was found on the dancehall artist. Dancehall artist Rytikal was granted bail when he appeared in the gun court on illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition charges.
Trouble when me grip the 40, I love tip the cat. Me use the car flesh. Calico me use the wire, them all with the AR, them your history.
Rytikal, whose real name is Ryan McFarlane, was ordered to surrender his travel documents and the court imposed a stop order at all ports. He must also report to the Bull Bay Police Station on Wednesdays and Saturdays and abide by a 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. curfew order as a part of the conditions of his bail. A report from the Elliston Road Police said cops were on patrol in 8 Miles, Bull Bay in St. Andrew around midday on January 28, when Rytikal was seen acting in a manner that arose their suspicion. He was questioned by police and following a search of his car. A Taurus .380 pistol with 12 rounds of ammunition were found. The DJ reportedly told the police that the weapon was a prop for a music video. But he was, however, taken in custody and later charged. Them I wonder if I really clean that double tap. Well, it's more like here comes the bride, all dressed in white.
Wally patting the go for queenie. One man alone, me one between me. My money large in a teeny.
Yes, London-based social media personality and dancehall artist Queenie Lady Gangsta has finally got herself a husband. She wedded upcoming DJ Dwayne Dewey Scarlett on his birthday on March 20 at Helsha Beach in St. Catherine, Jamaica. It was a beautiful Saturday afternoon when Queenie arrived at the beach in a silver convertible Mercedes-Benz. She wore an exquisite white mermaid sweep wedding dress and veil designed by Nashwear Clothing, complete with a lovely Calla Lily hand bouquet while being serenaded by her own dancehall track, Ring. Part 2 of Queenie and her June Plum wedding took place on Saturday, March 21st. A reception in St. Thomas, Jamaica, which sees her in a completely different wedding dress. Hey Queenie and Dewey, congrats, and forever blessing on your union. Sizzla Kalonji is once again imploring upcoming Jamaican artists to ensure they secure their intellectual property and publishing rights by engaging in deals that are beneficial to them. During an Instagram post, Sizzla cautioned artists saying the little young artists them will rise up today, dear. make sure you get on a little publishing rights and on a little royalties. And remember this, all the artists them try own on the masters a year or go 50-50 with the producers them, try own on the masters. At different time, different age. At the cybernetic age this, you know. Sizzla continued to state, and I quote, "Enough of them big music company and publishing company and producers and promoters try thief or publishing where we sing and DJ and do a little video. When them artists did arise, the people them boo them and run them and them go home, go practice and come back better. Now them get better, you know, set up business and contract for thief, them little money. It not go work," end quote. Reggae legend Burning Spears gets his COVID vaccine.
So do you remember the days of slavery?
Burning Spears' decision is in the glaring contrast to that of Lee Scratch Perry, who announced in late February that he would not take the COVID-19 vaccine and will have no choice but to stop doing live shows if taking the jab becomes mandatory for international travel. Burning Spear, who is a 6-time Grammy nominee, has released more than 20 albums throughout his music career, copping the Grammy Awards twice for Best Reggae Album for his 2000 release Calling Rastafari, and again in 2009 for Jah Is Real. This week's new music comes from Nation Boss with Humans, Popcorn featuring Barry Salmon with God Is Love, and Chris Gale, Universe Boss with Wak, We Are Wak. Take a look.
We are walk. Chop man a chop. Walk we are walk. Can't bridge a link, you will get shot. Don't talk. Walk we are walk. See Jeep on my back with the cash in a that. Now walk in a laps and I try for your top. See the rocks turn riches, them a spy and a plot. Not do that. Walk for the ones where I act. See the fake ones, them get them easy for spot. Universe pass of the universe lock. And the boy try run up your straight. Walk in a air. Walk we are walk. Chop we are chop. Walk we are walk. They say if we keep the riches intact. What me say? Walk we are walk.
And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Special thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings, of course. And remember to follow them on their Instagram at the Ear Candy Collection. Just remember, always and forever, big up you.